Hi, I'm Jacques Knoll. I'm a third year industrial engineering student at Stellenbosch University.
I'm Nick Tutt, and I'm a mechanical engineering student at Stellenbosch, and I'm in my third year as well.
Well, I applied for the student training program through the Pragma website, and then Stefan made me aware that they also offer internship programs, so that's how I ended up here.
Yeah, and during the whole process of applying for the STP program, we didn't actually know about the internship, but at the end, when it came down to the choice of who gets in and who doesn't, then Stefan gave us the opportunity and said that there was a asset management landscape course in Joburg for 3 days that we could attend if we wanted to, or there was this internship for 3 weeks. I cheekily asked for 4 weeks to Jacques' detriment, but here we are, and we've been enjoying it for so long. And the reason I chose to actually apply for Pragma is it looked like an environment which I didn't know much about, so I could learn a lot. I'm one that I like chasing challenges, so it gave me a really good challenge to look forward to.
And I've known that Pragma was one of the biggest employers of industrial engineers, especially from Stellenbosch University, so I've always wanted to get in here, so I apply every year to get in, and yeah, this year it worked. Yeah, we had 2 client projects that we worked on. One was this Pragma Europe and the other one was Pragma Facilities Management. Quite different projects, both very in-depth and quite challenging for us, but it's been very interesting.
The one for Pragma Europe was very team-specific and team-orientated, so trying to figure out how best to incorporate that within a structure. Whereas the facilities management took a different approach and actually focused on the process of how things are done. So it gave us very open and in-depth views into what Pragma does as a whole company. And what we really enjoyed was the team spirit within both departments. It's not like it was just one department that had the team spirit. Both were open, both were very welcoming and happy to have us there and do half of the work for them.
Yeah. And the feedback on the work that we got was very good. We could always ask questions, and it was just a very positive working environment as well.
Yeah, there was constant asking for make a meeting, request a meeting for us, always make time. They never wanted us to feel lost at any point, which was really awesome.
Well, at a bigger company like this, you get a bigger scope of what engineers can do and the different departments and all of that. Whereas the previous vacation work, it was a very small company and it was just like one department. So, and also the type of work I did was completely different to this. So it also gives me another perspective of what my possibilities are one day.
Yeah, so in the beginning, when I applied for Pragma, I just saw engineering company offering a student training program, and I thought this was a good opportunity for an internship. But I actually knew nothing about asset management, and working at Pragma has given me a very open view of what that incorporates and which environments that incorporates, and has shown me what I do like and what I don't like in terms of data-centric or process-aligned type of projects.